It's terrifically significant, especially in Virginia, which is a purely purple state. The DC suburbs are reliable Democratic strongholds. Some of the cities like the college towns like Charlottesville are Democratic, but there's a whole bunch of rural Virginia that is red. And so it is a purple state, which means it could go any way. And this effort by the Republican governor, a Trump ally, Glenn Youngkin, who has decided he's worried about illegal immigrants voting and wants to purge these 1,600 voters from the rolls. There is black letter federal law that gives a deadline for doing that. And 6 days before the election is after that deadline. The Supreme Court didn't say why they decided to let him go ahead. 3 liberal justices dissented. There's no indication what they were thinking, but this could really not only mess up the enfranchisement of these 1,600 voters, but also the count in Virginia that night. If those voters are in doubt, whether their vote is legal, is in doubt, and they've already voted, then it really, in this tight a race, it could mess things up.
Well, of course, Virginia is not a swing state. You could argue 1,600 votes wouldn't make a difference in the outcome here, Wendy, but what could this mean for other states in terms of their own litigation?
Well, I don't know if there would actually be time at this point, but lots of other states want to do the same thing. Republicans are sort of pushing this idea that illegal immigrants are voting in large numbers, and Donald Trump goes so far as to say that Democrats are pushing them to vote in large numbers, which that's simply not true. There's no evidence of that. And studies have shown that illegal immigrants, they don't want to be deported. And to take a risk to fake ID, Virginia has some pretty strict ID laws when you cast a ballot. The idea that there are large numbers of illegal immigrants that would risk deportation to vote in a presidential election they're not eligible for is just not happening. So, but a lot of Republicans want to purge voter rolls of some Latino voters based on this idea.